Hello, I have a question on 6.5 again, number 47. Now, this is not 47, but it's a problem very similar to that one. And what we're doing on these problems is they gave it to you as a single logarithm, and they want you to expand it out as much as you can. And like I've been telling my students in my traditional classes, that there is really not much practical use of why you'd want to do this other than practicing using the rules. Uh, in reality, what's more likely what you're going to want to do is they'll give it to you in a lot of logarithms, and you're going to want to bring it down into a single logarithm. And you got some problems like that as well. But the only purpose for 47 is just practicing the properties, the product, the quotient, and the power rules. And that's what we're going to do here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 1/2 out front using the power rule. So this becomes 1/2 times the natural log of x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x minus 3 squared. Okay, so the 1/2 is now sitting out there. Now you got to take in the natural log of a quotient, and that's the quotient rule. So this becomes 1/2 natural log of x squared minus 4x minus 5 minus the natural log of x minus 3 squared. Now x squared minus 4x minus 5 factors. So this becomes 1/2 times the natural log of x minus 5 times x plus 1 minus the natural log of x minus 3 squared. So I'm basically going out as far as I can with this. Now the natural log of this x minus 5 x plus 1 is a product. So I can use a product rule. Now that expands it with a plus between them. And this 2 is a power. I can bring the power in front of that. So the 1/2 that I put out here initially is just is being treated like a tag now. It's just sitting out there and not doing anything. So the natural log of this product is a natural log of x minus 5 plus the natural log of x plus 1. So that's the product rule. And the 2 can be brought down as a factor like I did a while ago. So minus 2 times the natural log of x minus 3. And here's what gets people in trouble because they don't know when to quit. Natural log of x minus 5. X minus 5 is not a product. It's a difference. There is no such thing as a difference rule of logarithms. This one is a sum, x plus 1. There is no such thing as a sum rule of exponents. So a lot of people they want to keep going. They think natural log of x minus 5 must be the natural log of x minus the natural log of 5, and there is no such rule that allows you to do that. And the natural log of x plus 1 is not the natural log of x plus the natural log of 1. There is no such rule that allows you to do that. You can only break them up if they're products or quotients or a power. That's it. Don't make up your own rules. You're going to get yourself in trouble every time. So what can you do now? Well, the only thing you can really do is distribute the 1/2. And I really kind of on the fence on that. Some people decide to multiply by 1/2. I don't have a problem if you do, but I've expanded it as much as I really want to right now. You can put the 1/2 in front of this, 1/2 in front of that, and then just cancel that when you multiply the 1/2 through. I don't have a problem with either way. So if you do want to go to the next step, it's 1/2 times the natural log of x minus 5 plus 1/2 times the natural log of x plus 1 minus the natural log of x minus 3 because the 1/2 and the 2 cancels out. So I don't care either. These last two steps is fine with me. I think on the final exam, they will take either one as well. So, because you've applied all your rules that you can actually apply to it, and that's really what's important. So, but that's number 47.